Welcome back to Max's Garage Hall. Looks like we're going to have a new video series here of finding out if we can make this old girl run. It's a 2007 Yamaha YZ250F and it's in pretty rough shape. Got it for a young fella down here in Little Rock, Arkansas. He's had it for 4 years and it was running real good. About a block and a half from his house, she just locked up. Turns out it had an oil leak and was running low oil. So it's going to take some, it's got some nice features on it. It's got the breakaway clutch. I think it has the same thing for the brake over there. But it's got some pieces missing. But it'll be alright. We'll figure it out. Get the old girl going and we'll go out and take her for a few rides after we get her all up and ready to go. And he's interested perhaps in taking the bike back once I've gotten the bike running real nice and the few trail ride videos done, and maybe we'll get a few wheel stands in on it, a few wheelies, and after that, if he's interested in it, we'll see if we can't work a deal clear of the cost on it and maybe put the original rider back on it. Alright, so there you go guys, that's your little promo for the new series coming up. Write in the comments below what you think we ought to call this series. Alright, glad you stopped by Max's Garage Hall. If you hadn't already, subscribe please, hit that like button and share. Thank you very kindly for y'all come by Max's Garage Hall. Y'all come back, see me now, you hear?